Maraming salamat po sa namin na nagtabang, lalo na kay Sir Mike, Sir Ma'am Lea, at sa Mike Design, Miguel.
Thank you po sa mga nagtabang sama sa preparation, especially to the staff of Mike Designs and Events. Sponsors and suppliers, photo and video, Dean Romero Photography and Videography. Hair and makeup by Jomar Tortusa and Margot Smith. Sounds and light kay Kuya Reynald. Butchoy Sounds and Lights from Ligao. Soledwell po. Food Services. P&L Catering. Sa event decors. Event host kay Sir Lino de la Cruz. Thank you so much po. And sa mga relatives ko po and kay mama at kay papa na since simula pa lang hindi kami pabaihan sa event na kami. Always po sila nag-support sa amin. Thank you po.
Sounds and Light by Butchoy, Sounds and Light from Ligao City. LED walls by Audio 5, Audio Pro, Sounds and Light from Castas, Ligao City. Ayan. Event decor by Mike Designs and Event. Ayan. Coordinations by Mike Event Management Services.